The position of the Chief Executive Officer, or CEO, is very important and extremely demanding. But surprisingly, some individuals are multi-CEOs, or executives running multiple firms at the same time. So just how do multi-CEOs emerge and gain legitimacy? By analyzing 4 prominent multi-CEOs, researchers found that becoming a multi-CEO is a drawn-out process that usually requires a CEO to have standing in a first firm before taking over a second one. These CEOs must then carefully manage the legitimacy of this arrangement and convince stakeholders that they can handle the task of running 2 or more companies. All 4 CEOs studied had a strong standing in their firms that made it possible for them to run multiple firms at once. For example, before Carlos Ghosn became CEO at car manufacturer Nissan, he had already orchestrated a major turnaround at Renault. So when Renault's CEO stepped down, he was tapped to fill this CEO position as well, leading both firms at the same time. But multi-CEOs must also maintain their legitimacy, both in how they perform their day-to-day duties, as well as how they appear to stakeholders. Jack Dorsey famously had headquarters of both Twitter and Square only a few blocks from each other so that he could manage both more easily. And both Dorsey and Steve Jobs, the multi-CEO of Pixar and Apple, accepted only symbolic cash compensation but owned many shares of the companies they led, creating the perception among shareholders that their interests were aligned. Wonder how multi-CEOs emerge and persist? If so, you may want to read this paper.